at a lesson from Kali Kannada grade 4. The name of the lesson is Hanchi Tinnona. Hanchi means share, Tinnona means let's eat. Let's share and eat is the meaning of this title. So there were two boys named Balu and Setu living in the same compound. Now in front of Balu's house there was a road and there was a mango tree very close to it. It was mango season and there were a lot of ripe mangoes on the tree. Setu saw these mangoes and he felt like eating. So he took a stone which was fallen down nearby and threw it on the mango. So one mango went and fell in the backyard of Balu's house. So Balu went and picked the mango. And Setu had come running to pick the mango, but by then Balu has picked the mango. So now Setu is asking Balu, give it to me, it's my fruit. Balu says, no, it is my fruit. Then Setu says, I threw a stone and I made that fruit fall. So it is my fruit. Then Balu says, which tree was it? So Setu says, what do you mean by which tree? It is the mango tree. Then Balu is asking, where was that tree? And Setu says, it was on the street. Then again Balu says, where did it fall? Where did that fruit fall? And then Setu is thinking that he says, and then he says, yes, it fell in your backyard. So Balu says, see, it fell in my backyard. So that is my fruit. Setu says, no, I threw a stone and I made it fall. It is my fruit. Give it to me. Balu says, I will not give you. Let's see what you will do. So Setu got extremely angry. He tried to snatch the fruit from Balu, but he could not snatch it. Then they both start fighting. They fall down on the ground and they start rolling and they fight so badly. So a elder person, an old grandfather, he was observing what these boys were doing. Then he came and he asked them, what happened? Why are you fighting? Then Setu says, I threw a stone and made the mango fall. Balu says, it fell in my backyard, so it is mine. So both of them tell what happened to the grandfather. Now grandfather says, okay, where is the fruit? Let me see. But what had happened to the fruit? Because the boys were fighting, the fruit had fallen down, it had got mashed up and mud had gone into it. So nobody can eat it now. So the grandfather says, see, if you both had shared and had it, both of you would have had little and you would have been happy. But now see, it is not, nobody can eat it. It's gone bad. It's fallen down, it's got mashed up, now nobody can eat it. Then the boys, they feel ashamed and they just put their head down and they're standing there. They realized their mistake. They understood what they did was wrong. So now the grandfather says, okay, you have realized your mistakes. You are smart enough that you have realized your mistakes and you are ready to correct yourself from the mistakes. So grandfather, he uses his cane or his walking stick and he hits one fruit and makes one mango fall down, and then he shares it between the two boys and tells them to share and eat. So that is the story. Now let us look at the lesson now. ಬಾಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇತು ಒಂದೇ ವಠಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಬಾಲುವಿನ ಮನೆಯ ಮುಂದಿನ ರಸ್ತೆಗೆ ತಾಗಿಕೊಂಡಂತೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಕಾಲ. ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಂಪು ಹಳದಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿದ್ದವು. ಸೇತುವಿಗೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ನೋಡಿ ಆಸೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಕಲ್ಲು ತೆಗೆದು ಒಗೆದ. ಒಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಹಿತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು. ಬಾಲು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ಆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇತು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದ. So Vathara means in one compound there will be many houses. It will be within one compound, but there are a lot of houses. ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು were living. Raste is road and tagikondu is very close or near. Then kala is season. Kempu haladi, reddish yellow. Ogeda means through or to throw. Hittalu backyard and tegidukonda is took. So Balu and Setu were living in the same compound. Then in front of Balu's house there was a road and there was a mango tree very close to that road. And adu mavina hannina kala means it was the mango season. And maradalli kempu haladi bannada mavina hannugalidavu. So reddish yellow colored mangoes were on the tree. And Setu saw them and he felt like eating the mango. So he took a stone and threw it. Kallu tegedu ogeda means he threw a stone. ಒಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಹಿತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು. So it fell down in the backyard of a nearby house. ಬಾಲು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ಆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ. ಬಾಲು immediately went running and took that fruit. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇತು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದ. ಸೇತು also came running to pick that fruit. And now we have to see what both of them are talking to each other. Setu, hey Balu, kodo, adu nanna hannu. So Setu is telling to Balu, hey Balu, that is my fruit, give it to me. Balu, Allah, nannadu. So now Balu is saying, no, it is mine. Setu, nanu kallu ogedaga bitta hannu. So Setu says, when I threw the stone, that fruit fell. Only when I threw the stone. Balu, hey, ಯಾವ ಮರದ ಹಣ್ಣೋ ಅದು. So Balu is saying, which tree's fruit is that? Setu, ಯಾವುದೇನು? ಮಾವಿನ ಮರದ್ದು. So Setu is saying, what? Which tree? It is the mango tree. Balu, ಮರ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು? So now Balu is asking, tell me where is the tree? Setu, ದಾರಿ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಬದಿಲಿ. It is on the street. It's on the road. Balu, ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳು? So now Balu is telling, tell me where the fruit fell. Setu, ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹಿತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ. Oh, that at your backyard. Okay, like that Setu replies to Balu. And then Balu, ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗು. So Balu is saying, now you are agreeing that it fell in my backyard. So that is the reason it is my fruit. I will not give it to you. Go. Setu, ನಾನು ಬೀಳಿಸಿದ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ? So Setu is saying, I made that fruit fall. Will you give it to me or not? Balu, ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? So Balu is saying, I will not give. What will you do? And then there is going to be a big fight between the boys. ಸೇತುವಿಗೆ ವಿಪರೀತ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. ಬಾಲುವಿನ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕಸಿಯಲು ನೋಡಿದನು, ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜಗಳವಾಡಿದರು, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೊರಳಾಡಿದರು. ಜಗಳವನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಿರಿಯರೊಬ್ಬರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು. Now ವಿಪರೀತ means extremely. Sittu is angry. Kasi is to snatch. Then ಜಗಳವಾಡಿದರು means fought. And ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ on the ground. ಹೊರಳಾಡಿದರು, they rolled. And ಹಿರಿಯರೊಬ್ಬರು, elderly person came there. So Setu got extremely angry with Balu and he tried to snatch the mango from Balu's hand, but he could not. Then both of them fought. They fell down on the floor and they started rolling there. And a elderly person was observing. He was watching them fight. And now what are they talking? Hiriyaru, ಏಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಜಗಳ? So the elderly person is asking, that is the grandfather, he is asking, why you children are fighting? Setu, ನಾನು ಬೀಳಿಸಿದ ಹಣ್ಣು. Setu says, I made that fruit to fall. Balu, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿತ್ತಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಹಣ್ಣು. It fell in. So now Balu is saying, it fell in my backyard. ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡುವ? So the elderly person, he is asking, okay, show me the fruit, where is it? ಅದು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಜ್ಜುಗುಜ್ಜಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಒಳಗೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು. So it had fallen down, it had got mashed up and there was mud which was filled inside. ಹಿರಿಯರು, ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಲಾಭವಾಯಿತು? ಆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? So shale is school, labha is use or achieve, hanchi is share. So now the old person, that grandfather is saying, did you see children? You both are school going boys. What is the use of fighting like this? What did you achieve? Or what is the use of your fight? That if you had shared that fruit, both of you would have been happily. Both of you would have felt happy. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಿದರು, ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನೇ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ನಿಂತರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪಿನ ಅರಿವಾಯಿತು. So the children, they felt ashamed of what they did and they put their head down and they were looking down and they understood that what they did was a mistake. Then ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಜಾಣ ಹುಡುಗರು ನೀವು, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? So now the elderly person is saying, you both are smart boys. I think now you know your mistake and you are ready to correct yourself also, isn't it? Then makkalu, haudu ajja. So the boys are saying, yes grandfather. And then ಹಿರಿಯರು ತನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಬೆತ್ತ ಬೀಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಬೀಳಿಸಿದರು, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಣ್ಣು ತಿಂದರು, ಜಗಳ ಮರೆತರು. So now the old grandfather, he took his walking stick or his cane and he hit a fruit and made a fruit fall down, and he shared it between the two boys and gave it. And the boys had it, they shared and they had the fruit and they forgot their fight. So you have to share. That is the moral you learn from this lesson.